Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick little 10-minute chat because I haven't done one for a while, and yeah, I need to do one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I'm actually going to start the timer. I didn't want to start it when I do my little intro, and there we go. So I started noticing on my analytics that, well, not really my analytics. I started noticing on my videos that I've been uploading that my channel shows a lot more unboxing of paintings than the act of diamond painting. And I started thinking, oh my goodness, I remembered I would always put little, well, not little, just more random videos of me actually painting, which is, you know, that's the point of the channel. This is diamond painting, y'all. So I started thinking, you know what, I should do a couple of more videos where I'm actually painting. Don't get me wrong, I am not the most, how do I word it, not accurate, but the most spot on painter of paintings. Wow, that sounded weird. But I do love to paint. So, and I do know, myself included, when I watch other channels, I do love watching painters actually paint. And apologies, it's been a while since I've used this little pen. I think they keep falling off. Huh. And apologies, I didn't say which painting this was. This is my Diamond Dotz farm cottage. Yeah, it's the little home that I love that has that little red door. And I actually started working on it on the side at work. And this is before I started doing the painting for Jingle Drills, which is the Queen of the Snow Fairies painting. I was working on this one to begin with before the event started, because I really want to complete this little painting. It's so cute. It's a little home with a red door. And I actually want it in my living room because it's such a cute little image. It's nothing with this holidays or anything like that. I just really like this one. Let me switch my pen because this pen's kind of annoying me a bit. Let me switch to my good old reliable pen. And that pen is kind of new, so that's why I was having problems with the putty. I haven't made any... Well, I haven't used it, so I think that's what's giving me problems. And you're all seeing me struggling, trying to move forward with this painting. I was actually going to multi-place, but I think the wax I put on was too new, so it wasn't picking up. So yeah, so that's why I decided, you know what, let me do a quick little 10-minute chat. Because as I said, I don't really show a lot of painting anymore. So, and I feel kind of bad that my channel pretty much is ending up a bunch of unboxings of new paintings. Don't get me wrong, I really do love doing the unboxings. But it is a diamond painting channel, so I have to show some diamond painting. Or the action of. So, and I know usually I do my whipping chats on the weekend, but I kind of want to put something just real quick during the week, so that's why that 10-minute chat will actually work perfectly for this. Oh my goodness, I do not know why I'm having so many problems picking up the diamonds. Huh. And don't get me wrong, I paint every day. It's not that, oh, it's been a while. No, I do paint every way. Every day. And I've been noticing, I've been trying to follow up responding to comments. So thank you to everyone who's been leaving me comments for my videos. I really do appreciate it. I read them, and I always, you know, try to come up with a good response because I don't want to give kind of like come off as like an auto response type of thing. So try to figure out what I want to type out for as a response. And I saw one comment, and apologies, I did not get your name, of a lady that said that she just got back into diamond painting and she's curious about if I would show my stash. So it made me start to think that I have put up, as some of y'all probably know, I did put up videos of some parts of my stash through the Gem Flow program. So the playlist is there if any of y'all are curious to see what paintings I do have in my stash. Because I have a lot that, I'm being honest, I have not done. And so that's why I started recording them so y'all can see kind of what my stash has. And those few videos, trust me, it's not even close to how much I actually have in my stash. And I haven't recounted again because I did add some new paintings, especially for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and a lot of the discounts that's been going on. And I'm going to be honest, I purchased a lot of new Diamond Art Club paintings. And I do love their paintings. I like their quality. I love the diamonds and all of that. It's just for me, I am really close to Diamond Art Club. I'm in Texas, and to my understanding, Diamond Art Club as well. So usually I'll get whatever I order. Usually I'll get it shipped and delivered either. The fastest actually was 1 day, which surprised me. The longest was 3 days, but I think it's because it was a new release, so they're taking a bit. So I think that's why I love purchasing Diamond Art Club, because it's really quick and I don't have to wait so long for a painting. And I mean, and don't get me, it's not a painting that I'm going to automatically like, oh, I received it and I'm going to start working on it. It's just, I don't know. As, you know, as many of us, when we purchase, we just cannot wait to receive that box in our home. So I think that's why I get real happy that I can get it real quick. I don't have to wait so long. For Diamond Art Club specifically. So that's why I have no problems with that. And honestly, I have no idea what is going on with my pen today. I think I should have switched out. I have, this pen has, what is that? Oh, the glue dot. But I think I've used this pen so much, I think I need to change it out. And I didn't think of that when I was starting this video up. I just sat down, put everything on the table, and I thought, you know what, let me record. Let me see how this goes. And apparently it went with me not being able to pick up any diamonds. And I'm trying to get this color done. And I did stop here. As you can see, some of the section of this part, it already has some diamonds on it. I just didn't move forward in completing it. So that's why I decided this painting, I was going to do it for this 10-minute chat. Because it allows me to move forward and just progress a bit more on the painting. Because I really do like this painting a lot. So that's why I picked this painting really quickly. And for my weekend, or end of week, it sounds weird when I say weekend, WIP and chats, I'm still going to be doing my Queen of... Sorry, as a snow fairy. Sorry, I was making sure that was the right symbol. I'll continue that one because I do want to finish it. And I feel so bad that I decided, you know what, I'm not going to rush on it and, you know, force myself to finish it just for an event. So I still want to complete it because honestly, I am so tired of seeing a bunch of WIPs that I haven't finished. And I do have a lot of paintings. And originally I did want to finish a lot of them so I can start the new year brand new, all fresh, no pending paintings. But no, that was just a pipe dream I had when I actually started noticing, oh my goodness, I have way too many WIPs of paintings that I have not completed. So I knew I really thought it might have gone ahead. No. And that was before I got a job and all that. So if I had more time, I knew I could have moved ahead. Oh my goodness, seriously, why can't I pick up diamonds? But when I already started working, I already knew, yeah, I'm not going to be able to get ahead and finish some of those paintings. So, and I do have an overload that I'm working on, which you'll see an unboxing of it tomorrow. And I did get ahead on it. After I unboxed it, I immediately just started painting on it. And I'm actually finishing it really quickly because that's when I noticed, ooh, if I really enjoyed the painting, I know I'm going to finish it a lot more. And it is a smaller canvas. It is a 40 by 40, so it shouldn't take me long. And I just started going crazy when I started painting on that one. Actually, give me one moment. I'm going to pause real quick and change this because I feel so bad. You see me keep struggling picking up diamonds. Give me one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I put new wax and a new glue dot onto my single placer so I can actually pick up diamonds. Oh, we're hearing that lovely sound we love when we play. If it stays. There we go. I'm actually recording really late at the day, so if you hear a lot of noise, a lot of traffic, apologies for that. It's because, you know, everyone's at home or getting home. So that's why there's a lot of traffic, and planes as well landing. So apologies if you hear that. And since I had to pause and went back to go, you know, switch out some of the materials for this, I'm going to do an 11-minute video. Give you all one more minute. So, but yeah, that's why this idea came up, because I noticed it that lot of my videos for currently, for the last couple of weeks, have been unboxings, and I thought, no, I need to show more than that. And honestly, I am taking way too long to complete. I honestly really wanted to show a lot of completion videos of paintings, but goodness, I am really slow. I'm a slow painter, and especially now that I'm working, I'm really limited on time now. So, and I know, take my time and enjoy the craft. I understand that, and I've had some of y'all really wonderfully tell me that as well. I do appreciate that. I know, take my time and enjoy, and not stress and worry. Oh my goodness, I haven't finished a single painting, but then I've been working on larger canvases, so that's kind of my fault too. I know if I'm working on smaller ones, I can finish them quicker. But since I've been working recently on larger ones, trying to finish up some of the larger ones, that's why it's taken me a bit to finish. And they've all been rounds. That's the other thing I feel bad about. I do have 2 square paintings. Actually 2 square paintings I've been working on the side, and a third one that I kitted up on the side as well, because I really liked the painting and I wanted to see what it looked like. But I haven't had a chance to actually work on it because I'm trying to finish, you know, completing all of my round paintings that I still have, that I still haven't moved ahead on. Just making sure I finish this color. Oh, and I already hit the 11-minute mark. Every time I've done the 10 minutes, I feel like they're really short, but that's the point of them. And I'm trying to think if this video I made my point across. Maybe. Honestly, it was that. It's just I feel my channel, I'm not showing a lot of painting. And I know I had stated I was only going to do 3, not as many videos during the week. But I really want to test this out because it's real short. So I want to see if I can get it up and ready to go. And see if it works. If it does work, might do another quick 10-minute one for Thursday. Who knows? Stay tuned for that. I'm going to see how this works, especially for my analytics, and see if it'll make a difference, especially, you know, give you all kind of a different variety to watch instead of all of my bunch of unboxings I like doing. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel be out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter how long they take. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.